Yep.
Hey everyone, Rachel from Jacksonville Property here, and today I have Louise with us. Why don't you introduce yourself, Louise?
Hi, I'm Louise Lennox. I am the owner of Dynamize Chartered Accountants in at Maitland.
Wonderful. And how long have you been there?
We've been in business for about 3 years. I've been in the area for about 15 years. Yeah, we're on High Street, so a nice sunny spot overlooking the mall.
Can't really complain there. So I just wanted to have a bit of a quick chat to you today about how you think you could help our landlords and investors by using an accountant service or using yourself.
Yeah. Okay, so for landlords in particular, there are a lot of tax issues that surround rental properties. They're always changing. The ATO changed rules every now and again. A couple of years ago, they abolished travel expenses and they changed how you can claim depreciation and everything. So, and there's also issues like capital gains when you sell a property. So you need to go into buying a property and knowing what negative gearing means, positive gearing, and also when you decide to get out, you need to know what the tax consequences are
Yeah,
of that.
and I guess all the things that you can claim, like your depreciation
Mm-hmm.
and
Yeah, yeah, and even like what is a repair and what is a capital expense. So there's lots of differences in what you can claim year in, year out, or what you can claim over a certain amount of years, depending on what the item is and when you buy it.
yeah.
So yeah.
Cool. So I guess more of a general sense, why is it important to have an accountant help you out throughout the year?
Mainly to get all those things right. You could be missing expenses, which means you could actually be paying tax or paying too much tax. So knowing what you can claim and what you can't claim, you don't want to get in trouble with the ATO. So using an accountant that looks at those things every day rather than once a year, we can save you money where you don't have to investigate those expenses and the tax law. We hopefully know that straight off the bat. If not, we know where to look quicker. So you're saving yourself time and you're getting it right first time. So you don't have that. You're not opening yourself up to being audited as much if you're going through a tax agent.
And getting that maximum return.
Yes, yeah, cash in the hand, especially if you're negative gearing. It could make the difference between a payable and a nice big refund.
Yeah, which is always a bonus at tax time,
Yes,
making some money.
yes, definitely, definitely.
So I guess the last question is, what do you think are the top 3 things that someone should look for when they're choosing an accountant, and what are the top 3 things I guess that you offer that people might look at choosing you?
Yep. Ease of contact. So if you can make a phone call and talk to that person quite quickly, or even if that you can make an appointment with them at the moment via phone, via Zoom, Skype, anything like that.
Yeah.
If you can get that information quickly while you need it is one big thing. Being in the cloud, everything electronic, so you don't have to go in with a big folder of paper. If you can get that information to the accountant and they can get the tax returns back to you quickly, is always a bonus. And knowing what they're talking about. If they don't seem to be up to date with and knowing the legislation when the questions are being asked, you probably need to ask them about their qualifications. And there are always questions that we may not know the answer to, and that's where we won't guess. We will say we need to go and check that and we'll get back to you. But most things we know. Like, if someone asks the depreciation on a whiz banger, whatever, I might have to go and look it up, but I know fairly well what it is. But if it's a straightforward question like, can I claim travel, then, and yeah, if the accountant doesn't know that, then there may be a problem.
That's an issue.
And yeah.
So you not only do just individuals, you do small business and things like that, accounting for those people, don't you?
Yes, yep. So we do accounting for sole traders, partnerships, companies, small businesses with no employees, up to 30 to 100 employees. Yeah, so we've also done payroll for international companies in the past and helped them with issues. So yeah, we have a large range, so it's not one size fits all. It's yeah, we help everybody. Yeah.
Wonderful. Well, thank you for that. And obviously, if anyone has any questions about any tax related accounting questions, or at the moment if you need some help with the job seeker or job keeper,
JobKeeper, yeah.
JobKeeper. Feel free to contact Louise. From what I've seen, she's got lots of experience doing it at the moment. Thank you.
Many hours spent on it.
Thanks.
No worries. Thanks.